Okay, hello, welcome. My name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel, English with Adrian, helping you to expand your English, increase your confidence, and speak like a native Englishman. Let's get started looking at approximate numbers. Approximate. When you don't know how specific the numbers are. Approximate. Sometimes the exact number is not known. Like 3 out of 15 cats live outside. We don't know how many. We don't know. But in some cases, cats live outside. We could say in a minority. Just minority. Less than 50%. Small. Small amount. In a minority of cases, I'm not in this room. In the minority of the time, I'm not in this room. I'm in the other room. I'm elsewhere. In few cases, people have been feeling weird when they use it. When they use it, or when they drink water, minority of cases they felt weird. In most cases, like 50% plus, something's happened. Most of the books I have here are non-fiction. Most of the books I have are business books, smart stuff. Yeah, most of them. In the majority of cases, there was a solution. Even though some people drank the water, in the majority of cases, there was a answer. There was a solution to the problem. In some cases, we don't know. In some cases, question mark, percentage, we don't know. In a number of cases, some have had to go to the hospital. Hospital. We don't know how many, but some. We don't know how many, but we don't know. But sometimes, again, how much water have I got? Well, I got some water. It's about here, about there, in that vicinity. Yeah, about there. Some water, but we don't know how much. But look, approximate statistics using words like approximately, about, well, or almost. Almost, almost, almost. About, approximately, well enough. About half of the time I teach English, definitely. Half the time I teach English. The exact number is not known. 35, 5, I know, 10, no wait. Yeah, 35 plus another 5, 50 hours a week. I'd say 50. 5, 10, 15, maybe 60 hours a week. Yeah, a lot of hours. About 10 hours a day. So yeah, it's 50 hours. 50 hours. Just under. The difference is small and it is shy of being exact. So I teach just under 51 hours a week. Just under 51 hours a week. Just under. Just under 1/4 of people know English. Just under 1/4. Just under 1/4. Almost a quarter, but just under. Just under. Like 24%, for example. 24%. Just under. 24%, just under. Well over. Whoa, the difference is huge. Huge. Well over 50% of the people in the world are online. Online in the world. Well over half the world are online on YouTube, on Google, Baidu, YouCal, beyond. More than 50%. Yeah, amazing. Almost the number is slightly less. Slightly less. I've almost got an entire bottle. or I'm working on something. I'm writing something, for example, writing a book, for example, and I am 99% done. I'm almost done. Almost done. Almost. Almost all the time I'm teaching from home. Yes. Almost all of my time, well, almost all of my waking time, I'd say 80%. 80% of my time, I am teaching English. Easily 80%. Yeah. Wow. Easily. Always this, or something like it. But look then, this is interesting. Surprising. Surprising numbers. Showing that a certain number is surprising. As much as other English teachers charge as much as £100 an hour. They charge as much as £100 an hour. Whoa, as high as that. Showing that 100 is surprisingly large. Whoa, not see that coming. That's a lot. Whoa. Or as little as. As little as. Tiny amount. Teeny tiny amount. For as little as £1 a day, you can save the Amazon from burning away. As little as £1. It's a tiny amount. It's a tiny amount. Teeny tiny. Tiny. Or as many as. As many as an unexpectedly large number. As many as. Wow. There are as many as 30 people in my class. As many as that. Not 20, not 10. As many as 30. Wow. Wow. Or as few as. As few as. Yeah. Surprisingly small. Like, whoa. There are as few as 2 lessons every morning. As few as that. As few as that, definitely. Yeah, an uncountable number. Lesson. How many lessons? Well, I have as few as 4 lessons and 4 lessons. No, well, 7 lessons in the morning, and I have as many as 10 lessons in the day. 10. Yeah. Yeah, very good. Yeah, pretty cool. So, approximate. Specific or exact? It always depends, but approximate amount. Yeah. However, if you want to keep learning English, expanding your vocabulary, and speaking like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Here's 2 more. Bye for now. See you next time.